Leadership in the modern world. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly significant, and transformative topic: leadership in the modern world. Leadership is not merely about holding a position of authority. It is the ability to inspire people, guide teams, and create a vision for the future. In today's rapidly changing world, effective leadership has become more important than ever before. Organizations, governments, and communities all require strong leaders to navigate challenges and achieve progress. A great leader possesses expertise in decision-making and problem-solving. Such individuals understand that leadership is not about controlling people, but about empowering them. They encourage innovation, creativity, and collaboration. As a result, teams become more productive and motivated. One of the most important qualities of modern leaders is resilience. Every leader faces obstacles, failures, and uncertainties. However, successful leaders remain focused on the goals, despite difficulties. They view challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than barriers to success. Another essential characteristic is accountability. Effective leaders accept responsibility for their actions and decisions. They lead by example and build trust through honesty and integrity. When leaders demonstrate accountability, people are more willing to follow them. In today's globalized economy, leaders must also understand globalization and its impact on society. Businesses now operate across multiple countries and cultures. Therefore, leaders must develop a global perspective and appreciate diversity. This creates a more inclusive, and harmonious environment. Technology has also transformed leadership significantly. Modern leaders must adapt to technological advancements such as artificial intelligence, digital communication, and data analytics. Those who embrace innovation remain competitive and relevant in the modern world. Furthermore, successful leadership requires perseverance. 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 Great achievements rarely occur overnight. Leaders must work consistently toward long-term goals while motivating others to remain committed. Their determination often inspires entire organizations to perform at their best. Communication is another crucial element of leadership. Leaders must express ideas clearly and confidently. Effective communication helps resolve conflicts, strengthen relationships, and create unity within teams. This ability makes leaders highly influential in society. Moreover, modern leadership demands strategic thinking. In conclusion, leadership is one of the most valuable qualities in the modern world. It requires resilience, accountability, expertise, communication, and strategic thinking. Great leaders do not simply achieve personal success, they inspire others to achieve collective success. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts. Your patience, encouragement, and attentive listening are deeply appreciated. I sincerely hope that my speech was meaningful, informative, and beneficial. Thank you very much for your valuable time, kind attention, and support. I wish all of you success, confidence, prosperity, and the courage to become exceptional leaders in your own lives.